Good morning, grade 10. I hope you all had a relaxing holiday. This video is just explaining what is due in this week and what we're doing this week. So first of all of you, by the time you watch this video, Wednesday or Thursday, you should have submitted your formative IO and your summative. Okay, these are going to be marked as soon as you handed them in. If you don't, you get a 0. So this is what we're doing this week. It's a formative assessment. It's your final semester task. It's very, very easy. So the first thing you need to do as you come to the end of your language and literature studies, you need to write a 150 word reflection on your learning in this subject. Write positively, write only about yourself. What are you most proud of this year while studying language and literature? What unit or skill did you find most challenging and why? And try to be specific about the unit or skill. Which unit or skill do you feel most confident about and why? And again, be as specific as possible. Do you feel you've improved in language and literature? How do you know? And I think all of us have in our own way. So, do be positive. Next thing you need to do, choose one of the statement of inquiries that you've studied this academic year. Obviously, if you joined, in Unit 3 or Unit 4, just do it on Unit 3 or Unit 4. So, for example, we have in the imaginative world of science fiction, the human condition changes. That was our sci-fi unit. We have transforming a text alters its nature, impact an audience. That was transforming text. We have there are global sustainable challenges that affect my community, people actively addressing these issues, and way that I can meaningfully contribute. That was Unit 3, the documentary. And our perspective of characters in literature is shaped by audience imperatives. So that is our current statement of inquiry, Unit 4. Choose one of these, and what you have to do is provide an explanation in your own words of your understanding of one statement of inquiry, and give an example of how a task that you did, formative or summative, or another activity, helped you to understand and explore this statement of inquiry. The word limit is 200 to 300 words, not much at all. Okay, don't write more than 300 words because we won't read or mark anything over 300 words. This is a structure that I would advise you use. So, introduction in unit, whatever, we contemplated the statement of inquiry, blah, blah, blah. So explain in your own words what you think the statement of inquiry means. Talk about a task that you did which helped you understand this SOI, and how this task helped you to understand the SOI, and what further questions related to this SOI do you have. So for example, when we did transforming text, I know lots of you had questions still about the nature of transformed text, which is great. So this will be issued on Managed Bag tomorrow, which will be Wednesday the 3rd of June. And it's due in the 8th of June at 12 midday. Okay, submit this to Managed Bag, create a Word doc, and put it in the Dropbox of Managed Bag. Very, very easy as ever. If you have any questions, I will be available to answer them. And I think on Thursday, I'll try to do a quick Google Hangouts call. Okay, so have a good day and enjoy.